Good morning. Thank you all for coming. It's a special day for Vac-Con. It's been 2 years. The world's changed. Vac-Con took the pandemic as an opportunity. We invested a lot of resources into new product development, new options, and new features. This year's trade show is our largest footprint ever in our 35-year history. Over the pandemic, our design teams and sales teams went to work. We filled a lot of product gaps. From our truck-mounted trailers, to our truck-mounted jets, to our trailer jets, to our enclosed jetter, to our new Titan product offering. We really tweaked a lot of things. The Titan product line, we wanted to shorten the vehicle up. So we've got a shorter footprint in length, and we've got our overall height is maxed out at 12 feet. In addition to that, you get 60 inches of dump height. Pretty incredible what our teams have been able to do. The water recycler, the truck behind us. You look at that truck, you don't even know it's a recycler. We took proven technology from over in Europe and incorporated it into our design. That machine is the greenest machine we have on this showroom floor today. 2 weeks ago, we did a demonstration. We filled up in the morning with 1,000 gallons of water. We worked 4 hours in a 36-inch pipe, and we put 12 yards of material in the hopper with 1 tank of water. We never went back to get water. When we dumped, there was no liquid in the debris tank. Everything was dry. We focused on several areas on our new developments. Number one was ergonomics. We put a lot of thought, we did a lot of listening to customers about the overall operation of the truck. We focused on flexibility, trying to make it simpler to operate. The big thing that you're going to be seeing here in a little bit is really focused on coverage. We wanted to produce something that was special and unique to the marketplace. We have an option here that's available to the public that will increase the working capacity of the front end of the truck, but by I think it's 97 square feet. So it's a 16 by 7 foot footprint out in front of the truck. Pretty incredible. The other component that we focused on was the visual aspect. We wanted the operator to be able to find the work location, exit the cab one time, and do all the work from the front of the truck. And that's what you're going to see here today. This product has a patent pending. We are utilizing this trade show as a hard launch to the marketplace. The whole world will know after today. This has been a great team effort. Our people have worked really hard. We made some really tough decisions. A lot of listening. We enhanced the operation. We've changed the marketplace with this product and this feature. This is game-changing technology and design. I'm going to introduce you to Pro, Precision Real Operation.
Good morning. How are you guys doing? Oh, you turned it off. Can you hear me now? Louder?
Closer.
So thank you guys for coming out. As Todd mentioned, we spent a lot of time and energy designing our Pro Reel, Precision Reel Operation. How many of us have gone out on demonstrations where you get out of the cab and say, oh man, I wish the hose reel was a little farther to the left so I can get to the service access manhole, or wherever the case may be. So the nice thing about this reel is inside the cab, part of the package on your front camera that's mounted up at the top center of the hose reel is there's a 180-degree arc on the screen. So as you pull up to the job site, as long as the manhole is within that target zone, you can set the parking brake and get out of the truck. And you'll be able to get to that location wherever it is. So the manholes that are on the ground here give you a good representation of what the outline looks like on the monitor for the truck. as Todd mentioned, 16 feet. So this hose reel will traverse from one corner of the bumper all the way to the other side of the bumper. So from its farthest point, when it's articulated all the way out to the side, as Andy's going to demonstrate, you can get to any point across the front of the truck. The other thing that we have, as we mentioned, is the largest square footage that we offer now in our industry. So again, it's very user-friendly and easy to get to.
Is that it?
And then with the new operator control station, you can adjust it up or down for different operator heights. You can rotate it wherever you need it to go. So again, as the hose reel swings out and articulates all the way to the side, you can adjust the control station to the other side of the hose reel. So that way, no matter what position the reel's in, you're in a safe working area for the operator.
It will.
So right now we set it up for automatic mode to give everybody an example of its full capability as it moves across the showroom floor.
Articulate just like you see, completely off to the passenger side as well.
And then you also have an 850-foot capacity of 1-inch hose on this hose reel as well too.
Mention the weight savings too.
And another thing that we were concentrating on, Todd mentioned the overall height is right at 12 feet or under. The overall length is about 38 feet. But the other thing that we targeted was weight reduction. So this new style hose reel is 500 pounds lighter than a traditional Vac-Con hose reel. Everything is all aluminum construction and all bolt-on. So again, it's really simple to operate and put together. The other thing that we removed from our traditional articulating hose reel is no more outrigger leg either that we used to put down.
We need to send that reel all the way down.
Yeah.
Hey, Andy.
So we
Infinite locking position.
just send it down. So no matter what position that you stop the hose reel in, you have internal brakes in the hydraulic motor, so it's going to actually hold it in place. So again, that's another reason why we got away from the outrigger leg and to reduce weight. So the new operator screen, so what we did is we've taken our single omnibus joystick and divided it into two. So the joystick on the left-hand side is your hose reel pay in and pay out for cleaning a sewer line. And then the joystick on the right-hand side is your boom operation. So you have a rocker switch on the back to activate the boom. And then on the top of the joystick, you have 2 toggle buttons for telescoping the boom in and out. Todd, we also talked about when you're out here in front of the truck, we don't want you to get back in. So up here with our touch screen, so we can engage and disengage this truck from out here at the operator station. So again, once you pull up and you have the target in your sights, set the parking brake, everything can be activated from the front of the truck. Yep, you're in the way. So what we have for the screen here too, you have 2 indicators. So you have water tank for your freshwater capacity, and then also for the debris tank. Sonar inside the debris tank to measure the level of the capacity for your vacuum breaker door system. So when the debris tank fills up, it'll automatically shut off the system as well, so you don't overfill your vacuum system.
Pivot it around a little bit so they can see the arc.
Yep. Push them. Yep. Hold the button.
That's all right.
Yep, you're good.
Move it up and down.
That's good.
Yep.
What's that? Oh yeah, never thought about that. Air pressure.
Let everyone know that it's just running off an electric.
Yeah. So just to let everybody know, we just have a little electric motor that this thing is running off of right now too. So out in the field, when the truck's running, you're going to have faster left to right traversing across the front bumper of the machine.
You're frowning on us starting them up in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? Yep. Yep. So this truck is also equipped with the auto level wind down here. So you have your controls for that. So again, you can automatically rewind the hose.
Hey, Andy, swing it out too. Show them the
Yep.
upgraded swivel and planetary
Yep.
too.
So a couple other things that we've added to this truck is on the front, we have an upgraded stainless steel swivel on the front. And if you notice, we don't have any traditional ball valves up front for the water system that you're normally used to seeing on a Vac-Con. So all your controls for your water system are on here. So basically push button on and off for your water system so you can start cleaning a line. And then on the back side, what we've done is we removed the old chain and sprocket drive, and we have a planetary hydraulic motor back here for the rotation. Built-in front tow hooks for the front of the truck. And then I don't know if you guys noticed also too, but as we mentioned, you can adjust the height of the control panel, and then the operator has a nice spot to rest his or her arm too while they're operating the machine. Pretty good. Pretty good. So what do you guys think?
I like it.
You like it? So again, I just want to say thank you for everybody coming out here. We appreciate you stopping by to see the Pro Reel in action. And feel free, come out, schedule a demo, and we'll actually bring the trucks to you so we can go test them in your applications as well. Again, thank you, everybody.
Thank you.